Hello! Welcome sa Civil Engineering Sample Problem about Surveying. So tara at isolve na natin ng ating sample problem for today. The following ingredients are used in the preparation of an asphalt concrete paving mixture. Meron tayong materials, cement, asphalt cement, meron tayong mineral filler, and then meron tayong dalawang aggregates. Of course, yan ay fine and coarse aggregates. So may kani-kanila silang percentage of the total mix by weight, and then meron din silang sari-sariling specific gravity. So meron tayong maximum specific gravity dito ng ating paving mixture na 2.478, and then meron din tayong bulk specific gravity of the compacted paving mixture sample na 2.384. So ang ating question, ko-compute natin yung percentage of voids in the compacted mineral aggregates. Okay. So paano natin isosolve yan? So gamitin natin yung ating formula again. Okay? So since hinahanap natin yung ating percentage of voids in the compacted mineral aggregates, so yung ating formula dyan para sa ating compacted, so yan ay ating percentage ng ating mineral aggregates equals sa ating GMB multiplied by yung ating P sub S over yung ating or mas maganda, unahin natin yung ating total mixture. So 100 minus yung ating GMB multiplied by P sub S over yung ating GSB. So ngayon, ano yung ating GMB dyan? Ano? So yung ating GMB, so meron tayo dyan yung ating bulk specific gravity from the letter B, yung ating specific gravity ng ating mixture, kaya yung GMB yan. Okay? Mixture and then bulk. Yan. Dito naman, ito naman ay specific gravity lang. Ano? So, paano natin masosolve yan nung ating GSB na yan? So, meron din tayong formula dyan. Okay? So, para doon sa ating GMB, so since ito ay given yung P sub S. Yung P sub S naman, yan ay percentage nung ating aggregate. Okay? So, kasi ang hinahanap is yung mineral aggregate, yung voids, percentage of the voids in the compacted mineral aggregate. So, ating P sub S dyan, ang pag-add natin is yung dalawang fine aggregates, yung anong weight nila. Okay? So, sige, isa-isahin natin. So, yung ating P sub S muna, ayan, yung ating P sub S equals siya sa ating percentage ng ating fine aggregates plus percentage ng ating coarse aggregates. So, meron tayong 30 plus 56. So, meron tayong 86. Ayan. And then, yung ating GMB naman, so, yung ating GMB, so, given naman na siya yung 2.384, yung ating bulk, 2.384. And then, yung ating GSB, isosolve natin. So, ating GSB, so, meron tayong ilan? Meron tayong tatlo na materials na gagamitin dyan. Yung ating asphalt, cement, yung ating mineral filler, yung ating fine aggregate, tsaka yung ating coarse aggregate. Okay, so hindi natin isasali itong asphalt cement. Okay? So, tatlo lang. So, meron tayong una, yung ating mineral filler, so P sub F, plus yung ating fine aggregate, so P sub FA, plus yung ating coarse aggregate, P sub CA, over yung kanilang P sub F, ang partner niya is specific gravity G sub F, plus yung ating P sub FA, then yung kanyang specific gravity, plus yung PCA natin, specific gravity niya na CA. So, ayan. Direct sub lang yan kasi binigay naman na dito. Ayan, oh. So, binigay na yung kanila. Okay? So, meron tayo dyan na P sub F natin ay 7. 7 plus 30 plus 56 over yung ating 7, anong kapartner ng 7 natin? Di si 3.1. So, meron tayong 3.1 plus yung ating 30. Partner ng ating fine aggregates ay 2.69. Ito siya, ito. So, kapartner ng 30 natin, yan, 2.69. And then, yung ating 56 naman, partner niyang specific gravity ay 2.611. Therefore, ang ating GSB equals, meron tayong 7 plus 30 plus 56 over 7 over 3.1 plus yung ating 30 over 2.69 plus yung ating 56 over 2.611. So, meron tayong 2.668. So, meron tayong 2.668. So, store natin yan sa A. Since mahaba yung kanyang decimal. So, shift store A. Ayan. So, meron na tayo. Check natin. Meron na tayong GMB. Ito siya. Meron na tayong PS. Ito, 86. And then GSB na 2.68. So, remember, hindi natin isasama dito yung asphalt cement. Okay? Kasi yan yung ating kailangan. So, meron tayong percentage ng V sub MA, nung voids natin. 100 minus yung ating GMB na 2.384. Pagka natin, 2.384 multiplied by yung ating PS na 86 over yung GSB natin na nakastore sa A. So, meron tayong percentage by 100 minus yung ating 2.384 multiplied by 86 divided by, so, meron tayong 23.153%. So, 23.153%. And this will be our final answer. Ayan. Okay. So, ganun lang. Ganun lang siya kabilis i-solve. So, actually, dito lang yung very crucial. Dapat alam mo na ito lang tatlo yung iyong gagamitin. Okay? So, ang ating final answer, once again, is 23.153. And I think that's all. And thank you for watching.